Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in regular expressions. Find one or more criminals in a hunt. Time to pause and test your new regex writing skills. A group of criminals escaped from jail and ran away. But you don't know how many. However, you do know that they stay close together when they are around other people. You are responsible for finding all the criminals at once. Here is an example to review how to do this. The regex /z plus matches the letter Z when it appears one or more times in a row. It would find matches in all of the following strings. Means here Z, it will find all Z, here also, means in any case, but it does not find matches in the following strings since there are no letter Z characters in here. No Z, no Z, and no Z. Write a greedy regex that finds one or more criminals within a group of people. A criminal is represented by the capital letter C. So in this case we have to write a regular expression with capital letter C. C plus. Let's run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.